Hello, Ozzy made that you free. I'll show you my multi-tool here. I'll show you all the blade on here, and I'll show you about this. Show you how to get out, how to use it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, watch the video, begin and like, come here about what the net begins there, and hope to get to 800 subscribers. I'll show you my Rocktol Multitools. I'll tell you all about it. Here is the Multitools. This one comes with a plastic kit. I'll tell you outside tool here. This one is a glass blazer. This one is a hammer. This one is used for the headset right there. And this one is a 2-in-1. Right. Comes a plastic with this one a flint. That one could took it out. Here is the flint. Here is the whistle. Hold it. The whistle. And tell you what the tool will come with a plastic kit said. I could switch it left and right here, just moved it toward out and switch it to left and right carry. That one a lock in. That one comes with a replacing wire quick plier. That one a not that one a needle. That one a plier. That's one thing. And all the tool outside. That one comes with a sword. All multi-tools you come with it. Here's the place to, when you put it down and close it, you cut the wood, so plant it, and so dot. And that one need to move a little bit in. Little fluffy tool, but I get used to it. And this one is a file, not like a blade, but a file. That one a starter, diamond starter. That one a file. Okay. That one is a main blade. That one is a blade and serrated and was so aggressive serrated. And I forgot what deal type it is. And the last end. It'll come with a sweet blade. No start. I just seen what other two on here. Oh. That one file. I'm trying to think what other two on here. Oh yeah, it comes with a sitter. That one I handle, so you need to grab that part to pull it out. This one, that one is the most tricky part. It wasn't easy to open, but more tricky that need do the wash closely. Only what I can't do much. I need to do wash closely. I need to put it back here. What it? See? Oh, dang it. Oh, hold on. Here we go. I need to do a little bit more damage deploy. And wash closely again. Now we can show you do that. Need a piece right here. You put the pot here. Waste this one fully up far I can. That's how the lost the sitter in plate. And this one a sitter. That one handle blue need a better way to alternate. It's called, I forgot what model under it is. It's called a Rocktol Multitools. Only way to put that back in, I need. Got it in there before. Oh, 1 second. I see here. Oh, I see here. Need to this way, put in this way in, and now how we'll put it back. I'll show you that two again. This one is a hander. All hander. Then one is glass blader. I'm not new any of my glass blader. Just hey, but I don't know this glass blader be useful for something. We made two. Go Rocktol Multitools. Hold on. Wait, one more two on here to need to find it. I'll show you it again. Pull this sitter out. Pull this right here. Dang it, we got it in there before. Here we go. And you want to have that kind of multi-tool you in your multi-tool collection. Well, you had this kind of model I had here from Rocktol. Comment below. Wow. Hope you enjoyed my whole review of my Rocktol Multitools. I'll show you. Hope you enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you if you want me to begin in. See you next time. Remember, be awesome. Healthy channel. I hope to get to 800 subscribers. See you next time. And I hope to get that Olight Arkfeld UV flashlight. Hope we get it soon. And see you next time. I hope you I hope to see you next beautiful and help the channel, help the community out, help each community out. We are all for the community. See you next time and be awesome.